Hi friends, after seeing a very good response for Excel videos, I am now doing the complete count formula video. Links of other Excel videos is also given below. Please view and subscribe the channel for other such informative videos. So here we go for count formula. So count, we have count, count A, count blank, count with and count with S. Okay, so this we will be seeing it in detail. So let us see how this count works. So equal to count bracket open. It is asking me the value, so I am selecting the whole quantity range, that is C2 to C13, closing the bracket. So what it is going to tell? Cells that have numbers. So you can see here it has counted only the cells which have numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be counting the cells which have numbers. So let us go with the next one, that is count A. So here it will count the cells which have numbers and the test. Okay, so equal to count A bracket open. So I am again selecting the entire range and closing the bracket, enter. So it is giving me the count as 10. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has even counted the unknown and the damage. Okay, so it has only left the blank. Okay, so now the third one is count blank. So it will count only the cells which are blank. Okay, so let us select the entire range. So there are two blanks, so it is giving me the count as 2. So now let us check out with the count with. This will show the cells that meet the condition. So here count with bracket open. I want to know about the details of the red pen, so I will be quoting it directly as red pen bracket close. So open. So you can see here how many red pens are there. 1, and here 2, and here 3. So it is showing me 3 red pens. Okay, now to continuation to this, if I have more conditions, then we will be using count with s. So equal to count with s. So first criteria is I will be seeing how many red pens are there, and the second condition is I want to check out how many red pens are with 30 quantities. Okay, so I will be adding here 30 bracket close, enter. So you can see red pen is of 30 quantities here. Okay, and here they are less, so it has not taken, and here they are 30, so it is giving me the count. So this is how the count A, count blank, count with and count with works. Thank you. Thanks for watching.